Hey, what's going on, peeps? It's Brian today. We're back working on trying not to catch tetanus. So what I'm doing today, we're trying to clean up some of this scrap stuff, so I want to try to get as much of it cleaned up as possible. And so I'm going to finish grinding off the door skin, which is this outer, you see how there's a seam there. So this whole outer half of the door comes out. It's nice that Mother Nature took care of the bottom half of that for me because it's already gone. So I just have to grind off the edge. That's all you do is you take a flapper disc and you grind around that edge there till you separate through there, and then that outer door piece peels off and you are left with just the door. So once I get that skin off, then I'll be able to get the glass out and all the mechanisms, because that's a literal pain in the, you know what, keister. We'll use keister as a word today. So that's what you're going to see me working on there today. And if one goes smooth, we might start the second one. If not, we'll just do the second one tomorrow. Meh. All right, so we'll throw you guys on a time lapse and we'll check back in with you in a little bit. Take it easy. Hey, welcome back, guys. So what you saw there was me opening this door here, the passenger side door, like a sardine can. Kind of helped that the bottom half of the door was rusted out. You can kind of see all that there. Oh, kind of rusted out, but believe it or not, the rest of the inside looks pretty good. There's good pieces there for that. My favorite windows in the world. I love the little triangle pop-out windows. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to slowly start taking the bolts out from the other side and get the windows out of here, so I can save the windows. Because believe it or not, all that just needs some new weather stripping, like the seal around the glass door and the chrome cleaned up. But other than that, the windows, and I'll probably take this piece out there, clean it up, and probably paint it or something, steel it, since everything else is steel it here. Yeah, so we're gonna get this window out and we'll go from there. See you in a little bit, peeps. Hey, welcome back, peeps. Well, we got it apart. We got the glass out. We didn't break any of it. I got a few pieces to take out of here. I'm gonna take all this window operating mechanism stuff out and hold on to it. And if we can get it to work when we put the doors back together, we'll use some more old parts. So, again, if you like this kind of stuff, let us know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, complaints, yeah, you know where to put them. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, take it easy, peeps.